Hello, I am back. I was on holiday last week. This is why I didn't post anything anymore. But now I am back and I want to make an update for the GBP yen. It's my favorite currency. As you can see, I have only made videos about this pair. So now I am looking at the 30 minutes chart. Here we see we have just ended. Here on the 19th February, we have ended one cycle, which was 7 days plus one. So it was around 8 days, or you could even say 9 days, because this day, the 20th of February, you could see as resting point, as then the price goes back to where it was on the 19th February, or you could see it as a continuation. The trend here in this cycle was, let me see, was down here. So it started on the 11th of February and it, this built a whole cycle actually, up and down. But if we regard only the downward movement, let me look. Here is 4. Where do we have the whole movement? Okay. So a whole cycle up and down had 8 days in this case. Now we have a continuation down or a longer resting place. Here you see the price has almost stopped. Here from the 21st, it's around the same price, 189.2. I have already sold a few batches here, and this is what I want to show you. I am expecting the price to go down here. How much I expect it to go down? Well, with the length of this channel I measured here, we have 200 pips. So if we measure 200 pips from 189.2, yeah, we get 180, wait a second, no, 187.2, and we put a few pips above, so 187.3. This would be my next target, but I don't expect it to take it very fast. So it could be 1-2 days. We'll have to see. If the price is forming a cycle in this downward channel, if the price continues to stay within this range here, then we might reconsider and I'll make a new video. If we regard the 1-hour chart, we also see that we should expect the price to go down. On this chart, we see we could put our resistance below 187.5, and we could expect the price to fall at 187.5. So my target for the 30 minutes chart was 187.3, and for the 1-hour chart it would be 187.5. But regarding the fact that the price moved in this area for a pretty long time, it's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would be the ninth day today. I expect the price to fall further. You see, here it went up very fast within 2 days, and then we needed 9 days for the price to go back. We could also regard this setting here as right angle rectangle here. Here, if we draw a rectangle, you will see it will form 90 degrees. For example, I could show you just like this. 1 second, shape fill, no fill. You see? It would be something like this, but I would make a line here to build a rectangle. You see, because the price movement here was very fast, then time was needed to develop the opposite. But I explained this in another video about triangles, right angle triangles. On the 4-hour chart, we see the same downward direction. Let me copy this arrow and put it here. And here we can see we can expect the price to go farther down, not only to 187.5, which was this line here. We can easily expect it to go down 100 more pips. But we have to see if the price doesn't further stay in range here, and see when we can hit our next target, which is below 187.3. Actually, I could turn to my other target from the past. Let me see. 186.5. Yeah, this was my target on the 10th of February, and I would actually want to put this target here. I can expect it within the next few days. But again, this is my thinking. You should do your own analysis and assess the risk you are exposing yourself to before making any trading decision. Because the price, okay, is now here, but it could stay in range. It could go a little bit up, and it could take longer as expected to reach this target. Thanks for watching, and if you didn't yet subscribe, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day and wish you many, many pips.